Hello children, welcome back. We are with the part 5 of your HTML and I am Santosh Kumar Bhardwaj. Hope you all are enjoying online video tutorial for class 10th. Children, in today's class we are going to learn two tag. One is your font tag, other is your base font tag. And these two tags are totally different. Fine, and the use of the tags are also different. We'll just see what is font tag followed by its attributes and also the base font tag. So let's begin our class with the font tag first. What is font tag? This tag is used to change style, size and color of the HTML text elements. Attributes of the font tags are face. This attribute specifies the font name or the typeface of the text inside a font tag. Means you are aware about Arial, Times New Roman, Comic Scan, Algerian. These all are the name of the font. So we are giving here as a face. Fine. So you are going to write in the face any name of the tag which you wanted to use. Fine. Any font name. So here is the syntax: font and then space face is equal to font family. So example, if you see font and then I have started with the face is equal to Arial, means the contents are going to come in the font called Arial. Fine. Next attribute is your size of the font tag. This attribute specifies the size of the text inside a font tag. The range of expected value goes from 1 to 7. 1 the smallest one and 7 the largest one. If you write size is equal to 100, so the maximum size is 7. It's not going to vary. Fine. If you write 50 also, the maximum size is 7. Means the contents are going to come in the size 7. Fine. Then the syntax is there: font size is equal to number. Again I am writing font size is equal to 3. The next attribute is your color. So this attribute specifies the color of the text inside a font tag, and here the syntax is given: font color is equal to color name oblique RGB numbers, anything you can write. Example is font color is equal to red. I have used this example: font color is equal to red. This was all about the font tag. Let's go to the base font tag. Base font tag. This tag specifies a default font color, font size or font family for all the text in the document that follow it, which is only supported by the web browser. Fine. Font tag you can use as many as time in your web page, but base font you are going to use once. Fine. And everything is decided by the browser. If you don't use face, if you don't use size, if you don't use color, then it will be decided by the browser what it's going to render to you as a font. Fine. So here the attribute of the base fonts are also same as the font, means face, then size and then color. Fine. So this was the basic difference between the font tag and the base font tag. Let's see one output and I'll write the code for it. It will be clear to you people how to write this differentiation between the base font tag and font tag. So this is one output. So you see two things are coming in the black color: components of the database, and the database consists of the above components. That is done. And at the center you find data, software, hardware and users are coming in red color with some different font. Fine. And also you can see I have used a background to cover this. Okay. So BG inside the body I have used a background attribute. What is the advantage of learning HTML is that it repeats the things. Whatever you have learned in the previous class, it will come in the next class followed by the new things. Okay. So let's see how to write the code for it. Okay. To begin with, HTML, then followed by head tag, and then followed by title tag. These are the three things which we have learned and it's repeating. So in the title I have used font and base font tag as a title of the page. Then I find head is over, so I need to close the head tag. Before that I have closed the title tag also, last in first out. Then followed by the body tag. In the body tag I have used the attribute background and I have given the complete path of the image which I wanted to use as a background. So this was the complete path of the tag. Then followed by a center tag. You have seen the output was coming at the center, so center tag has been used, followed by a break tag, and then I have used a base font over here, but I have not defined face, size and color. Let browser decide. Fine. So base font tag is used. This is also a container tag, and this was the matter for the base font component of the database. Then followed by two break line I have given to come to the next line, and then I have used a font tag, and you see face is Algerian, size is 3, color is red. Fine. So what all things I am going to write, it will come in Algerian, size 3 and color red. Let's see. First was data, then we have to come to the next line. So BR tag has been used. Second is the software, again BR tag has been used to come to the next line. Then third was hardware, again BR has been used to come to the next line, and then followed by the user. Then again I have given break. Fine. And then I find yes, this all four things should come in the Algerian, so I have closed the font tag. Last in first out, font tag work is over, so I have closed the font tag, followed by BR tag to come to the next line. Then I have written one paragraph. A database consists of the above component, means this will also come in the base font tag. So base font tag is work is over. I find my page is also over, so I have closed the base font tag, followed by the center tag, last in first out, then followed by the body tag, and then followed by the HTML tag. After writing this, we need to save this file as is known to you people. We'll save it by any name dot extension HTML. Okay, and you will open in the browser. When you open this in the browser, again you will see this output will come. Fine. So it matches with what I have written. I think it's all clear to you children. Fine. Hope you are enjoying the class and you are also learning new things in the HTML. Fine. We will be meeting again with the new set of things in the next class. Thank you.